Good evening. It's November 28th, 2025, Friday, and this is what looks Calgary looks like right now. Just 2 days ago, we had a snowstorm. Around this time last year, there was also a snowstorm, so it's not particularly weird to have this kind of weather this time of the year. So this is pretty good when it comes to being in Alberta, because like even in Edmonton, like November 1st, it starts to snow already, or like first week of November. So but this is typical of Alberta. Um, if you go to Toronto or Montreal or Quebec, it's the snow comes in um, later, like maybe around December. But in Alberta, it comes in November, like middle of November or like last week of November, and even in the upper areas of Alberta, it comes in earlier. So yeah, we had a snowstorm, and as usual, like people will be uh, you know will be shocked about the snow, and there will be a lot of accidents, and because the roads get slippery, and we don't have salt on the roads, so it really gets slippery, especially when it gets packed, when the snow gets packed. So yeah, they just put sand on the snow, and even in the residential, they don't do anything about it. So yeah, like this is the this is the beginning of winter, and it doesn't stop until like the first week of May or the middle of May. So yeah, probably like 7 months of this, and yeah, this is just the beginning. Bye for now.